Yo, what's up guys? It is Monday morning and I'm currently sitting on a stool because I think my chair is in Ralph's office, so I feel kind of stupid, but at least I can turn like this though. But yeah, so today Ralph is going to be installing a supercharger kit on a 9th gen, so we're going to be showing you a little bit of that as soon as he gets here. He's running a little bit late, so once he gets here he's probably going to start on that. He's going to kick all the cars outside in the garage. Right now there's like an Evo, there's that 9th gen I was telling about, and also my friend's 9th gen, the supercharged one that you guys love so much. And yeah, and then so we're gonna kick those cars out, and then we'll probably start showing you guys that supercharge or install that we're doing today. Sorry, I'm like butchering up my words. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos that I made over the weekend. I did not vlog yesterday on Sunday. I just kind of hung out all day and didn't really pick up the camera at all. We didn't do anything exciting, just literally did a lot of proactive things. We went to the gym really early, and then we meal prepped like crazy, and yeah, it was just basically a chill day at home, hanging out, drinking a Corona and whatnot. But yeah, so once Ralph gets here, we'll show you guys that supercharger install. Guys, so far I've been working. I'm here in Ralph's office right now, and I just wanted to show you guys really quick the Kraftwerks supercharger kit. Everything's right there, a bunch of boxes. It comes in like one big ass box and stuff like that. So right now Ralph is working on it right now. He's about to upgrade the clutch. I believe she went with the action clutch, huh? No, ACT? ACT? Oh, okay. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over here. Right here. What stage is it? 4?
No, I was just
Oh, okay. Yeah. She about to be fast. So here it is. A gray FG4. I like this color. Alright guys, so obviously right now Ralph is starting with the transmission. He's gonna change the clutch like we were just talking about, and then that's probably when he's gonna start doing everything up top in the engine bay. Everything in those boxes are gonna come out here obviously, and then he's gonna get started with putting all that shit in. I don't know the date that this car is leaving back up north, because a girl owns it and she drove it down here and then she drove back somehow, and so I don't know when exactly it's leaving. But one of these days I'm pretty sure I'll be able to show you guys everything, and it's just gonna run on a base tune for now. She is going to get a tune by Darden, I think, because I hooked her up with that. So I'm pretty sure that's the way she's gonna go or something. I'm not too sure, but yeah, so it should be out of the shop within the week, but I'll definitely make sure to show you guys once it's all finished up and tuned with the base map, of course. So yeah. Alright guys, so it is the next day. It is now Tuesday. I'm not sure how well you guys can see me right now. I just had a couple noodles. Anyway, so we're gonna be headed over to SKUNK2 right now. So I was like, perfect opportunity to film for you guys. And those Camber arm bushings that I was telling you guys about that I needed on Saturday, I'm gonna get them right now. And then also we have to do a little data log for Hans's car. So perfect opportunity to bring you guys along, so that way you can see our everyday life and my everyday life when we go to SKUNK2 and stuff like that. So yeah, so today's gonna be a good day.
plot twist, we're actually taking Daniel's car to SKUNK2.
I thought we were taking the supercharger.
He thought we were taking the fast car. Now we're in this little bucket. Say what's up, Daniel.
What up? Taking the slow car. The turtle. Damn. Sick. Alright guys, so first stop of the day. We came over here to the bank in Redlands. Ralph had to come do something here at the bank, and then we're gonna go to SKUNK2 right now. I probably need to get gas. I'm already running low on gas, so that's definitely on my things to do, because I don't run on hopes and dreams. But yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys once we start moving along. We are here. Push for assistance. I almost drop this thing every single time.
Right, just come straight up.
So like oh yeah. And I put it around this.
Yeah, that's what I know we're better than right now. This is EG in the UK.
guys, well, this is pretty much going to be the end of the video. I squeezed in 2 days in one video, so I squeezed in Monday and Tuesday. Just because yesterday there wasn't much going on at the shop and I was kind of really tired. For some reason I was really tired yesterday. I didn't really feel like doing much. So yeah, like I was saying, I squeezed 2 days into one video. Today was pretty cool. I came over to SKUNK2, finally got my camber arm bushings that I desperately need, because if you guys didn't know, my back camber arm bushings are bad, they're crap. Every time I go over a driveway or a speed bump, whatever, you can hear the clack. It's a really bad, nasty sound, and I just want to replace it already. And I need to get my alignment, like I said in Saturday's video. So yeah, that's going to be coming soon. Most likely this Saturday, if I don't have to go to Darden's. I still have to check with Darden what's up with the plans and whatnot. So yeah, today was really cool. Got to hang out with SKUNK2. Got to see some shit that's still in the making. Shit that can't really be talked about. So I'm going to stop talking about it. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.